When I got on the bus, it wasn't that crowded. It happened sort of all at once.
This photo is what Victoria posted to her Twitter account after experiencing a packed TTC bus.
There was people all the way to the back of the bus standing on the upper level, people all the way to the front to the white line, and it was just jammed, and no possibility of social distancing, and also people not wearing masks on the bus.
Her tweet blew up not for its content, but for the TTC response it garnered. Part of the tweet said that social distancing will no longer be possible on its vehicles, and that if passengers feel it's too crowded, to get off and board the next bus.
I was a little taken aback, but I really think it's part of a core issue of the fact that the City of Toronto and the TTC are not adequately handling this. And I think the tweet is just an extension of that policy that we've seen these past few months. It's not just a one-off instance.
In fact, a number of TTC users took to social media calling out the transit system for its handling of the COVID-19 pandemic and the priority to keep riders safe. It's an issue that many say has not been ideal since March. The Premier says his government has done everything they could to make sure this didn't happen.
And also, I just want to remind Toronto and the TTC, they ended up getting $400 million because of how hard we fought.
The mayor, who also noted that the TTC's response was insensitive, says that he agrees the government did help, but he points out that it's not as simple of a fix.
Here's the problem. The money that was supplied in that instance, yes, helped to offset revenues that had already been lost by decreased ridership. It didn't arrive in time for us to buy a whole bunch of new buses, for example, if we wanted to augment the bus service that is presently experiencing some crowding that goes beyond the ability to physically distance.
Dr. Eileen de Villa added that Toronto Public Health continues to work with the TTC and that they are continuing to provide advice on how to keep people safe. The union representing TTC workers also speaking out, saying that it's time to bring back all furloughed workers to put more buses back on busier routes. Brandon Rowe, City News.